jam sandwich with ham and cucumber. That's an unusual combination.
Ari, do you mean you got ham and cucumber sandwiches and then jam sandwiches as well?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bus. Okay, the bus stop.
The bus stop.
So,
Oh, you want to be back in that lane?
Why? Guys!
Stop shouting.
What are you talking about?
Stop shouting.
I'm talking about my driving.
Shout like that again. We'll turn the car around and go home.
No, we.
That's fine. That's the right way.
Oh, look out this window. See the boats?
It's a very funny road, this, isn't it?
Very horrible road.
There's loads of people there, Tyler, taking pictures of trains.
There might be a steam train coming.
Bus! A bus. But where?
I think there is one coming.
Hey. Is that it?
No. That's it.
That makes me so dizzy.
A team stream?
I can't say I nearly cried with how excited I was.
Oh, that's nice whistles.
Snotty, aren't you, bird?
Stop now. Or no. We are going to go all the way home. I've just got to finish driving, don't I? Because that's what we have to do. If I just
that's 08GR 19277.
We end up getting about 4-0 up.
The buses down the road. Love it. You'll find out in a minute. Oh, there's a bus that's just left the bus station. I see. Oh, no. Yes, I see. 15253.
How do you know it's the 15253?
Because it says the fleet number on this. Because it says the fleet number.
How does it?
Yeah.
Is it? Oh,
Yeah. Over. 19268. Still with Magic Bus. Wow. I know. I know.
Are you Jake?
No.
It's Jake's friend though.
Yeah.
My son follows Jake on YouTube.
Yeah.
He's a bus fan. He's down talking to Wendy.
Yeah. They hang around together. They film the buses.
Yeah.
It's the only reason they're here.
Yes. So yeah.
Just has 3 buses themed as well.
Yeah.
Just on the magic bus, didn't you?
Yeah.
That's on the 4A route, isn't it?
Yeah.
So I told him not to film. I was like, I'm not getting you in it.
I need so much to do.
Yeah, exactly, yeah. You wanted to go
Oh.
to... Tyler, where was it you wanted to
That's
go
the
to?
bus we're riding.
Alfie!
I wanted to go to Taunton
Yeah,
today.
you wanted to go to Taunton.
No,
This is my nephew, not my son.
no rate. That we're riding 19093 home.
What time today?
You got a bus pass?
No. No, I haven't got. Yeah. No way. I know. 950 next. Yeah, don't spoil my videos, dolls. Oh, lots of time. 37474. And 19093. This is going to be the bus home, which is nice. 180 home.
I can't believe this is one pie.
What did you carry? From
Where you get
15258. Oh. 24142. 15255. I think that's it.
the C bus?
Probably.
Yeah, properly.
Oh, it's not in service. At the minute, it's not in service.
Is it?
One 5793, sir.
Yeah, 15713. Go. Think you go to Alfreton.
That's. Wait,
That is go to Alfreton.
yeah, no, that's 10690.
Yeah, 692.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. The 15793 is on the Route 5B. They've got 15255 next to us.
Yeah.
On the other side, we've got another one.
A Stagecoach Gold.
Stagecoach distance, yeah.
Yeah. Why is that one Canaan Park up there? Not like.
Maybe it's.
Where's the Taunton Park and Rise buses then today?
They're probably in Taunton.
That it? Oh, we're leaving.
Maybe.
One Northern, Ottercram.
19322.
Yeah, 1512 on the. And 39 over there is the Exeter bus. Oh,
15255 is off. And then 19322.
1516.
No. Oh, got quite a few good buses.
Yeah, well, I've got quite a lot of buses.
Yeah.
Right.
4A 36225.
4A. 2, 3, 4, 5. On the route 4A to Exeter Airport. Oh,
Another bus.
15.
No, that's 19324.
19324 on the number 2.
Oh look, yep, route number 2 to Exeter bus station. And we're on 19093 on route 57 to Exeter Parade.
Yeah, on the oldest bus.
Yep, yep, this is one of the oldest buses.
Yeah.
It's not as old as the Optus Olos though.
How old is the Octo Solos?
They're 2004. So they're 21 years old.
Yeah.
Then this bus is.
How many bus pictures do you have? How many bus pictures?
Oh, I've got loads of bus videos and
Can you
photos.
show me? I'll show you my bus.
That's 19323.
Yeah, to Exeter.
Yeah, on Route 57. These ADLs don't sound
Are you
too
going to
well.
look at it? Oh, that one passed off. That one is, I don't know what bus that is.
That's 15255.
Yeah, off to Newton Abbot by Matford. When we get past it, we're going to look, see what kind of buses is there.
Stagecoach distance.
Yeah, it is, because it got that, like that, sign out of that on the boat. Oh, we're stopping, we're not going to catch it up.
No.
15.
That's 15255. Oh, crossover.
Of course, I thought that was not coming.
Oh, that's a crossover as well. And now we've got 37135.
Off to Tesco's.
Yeah.
Why you do that? Goodness. Oh, can you leave? No buses.
Yeah, I know. 19093. She's doing quite well compared to she's 19 years old. Doing really well actually.
Yeah, because I thought,
She's coping well.
is there any tickets in the back, do you think?
Don't know.
You want to have a look in a minute?
No, I'm happy with what I've got.
I'll have a look in a minute.
Yeah, you've got time, but I haven't. Oh, Flash. Oh, that's good, Flash.
Oh. Yeah.
Very good.
Oh. Oh. I remember you went into Matford and then the bus driver let you have a look around and then he drives you around.
That's the bell.
Oh, that's the best bell ever. Oh, my,
Oh.
oh, fast up.
If it's downstairs bell, it'll make the normal ding sound.
Yeah, because
It'll go
still,
if it's up here.
still.
This is
So,
very weird.
I thought her, like, we're going to get new Octo Solos.
Oh. I figured out where it's coming from.
What?
Have you figured out where the noise is coming from?
No.
It got louder as that man was going down.
Why?
Because we won't.
In the ticket bin? This route is from Route 4.
Oh.
What do 37701 means? Look at that. Look at that uni ticket. Jake Taylor.
There we go.
Oh, Flash.
Yeah, good Flash, definitely.
I'm going to call this because it's the best
Yeah.
Flash I think.
Yeah. These ADLs are really good
Yeah,
for
do you
Flash.
have TikTok?
You have TikTok and YouTube.
What, do you follow any buses on TikTok?
No, I should really actually.
Do it.
I'll have to look into it when I get home. When I get back, yeah.
Oh.
Flash.
Oh. Yeah.
These ADLs are good at flashes though.
Yeah. ADL 300 having a flash.
Yeah,
one
ADL
pop.
in 5x400s especially.
Yeah. It
19102 has now gone to Barnstable.
Why? Why have you got a bicycle?
Because we've got all the Manchester ones now, so we don't need 19102 anymore.
That's a bit sad.
But what would you rather? Magic Bus going to Barnstable or 19102?
Massive bus go to Exeter. Or
Which means, but because of the amount of Manchester buses we're receiving,
yeah.
that means that Barnstable have got some Exeter buses now. Because we're receiving loads.
Do you need to get off at Exmouth when the bus turn around? Really?